Good afternoon. I'm Vic Reynolds. I'm the District Attorney for the Cobb Judicial Circuit. Thank you for coming out today. I have a brief statement to make to you. Because of certain bar rules that prohibit prosecutors from making any statements which have no legitimate law enforcement purpose, I intend on making this brief statement. I'm sorry, I'm not going to take any questions today, but I believe this statement will answer most of them. As you well know, this morning a Cobb grand jury returned an 8-count indictment against Justin Ross Harris. That indictment has been filed in open court. If you have not received a copy, we'll provide one to you today. Mr. Harris is presumed innocent until at such time the state can overcome this burden in a court. This case will be tried in a court of law. We have no intention of, and in fact I'm prohibited from making any statements or trying the case through the media. I will not violate that restriction. I will not comment today on any evidentiary matters. The indictment speaks for itself. We are pleased with the pace and the thoroughness of this investigation, which continues on today. The evidence in this case has led us to this point today. Whether or not it leads us to anyone else remains to be answered. Procedurally, the case will now be placed on an arraignment calendar in Judge Staley's court. Generally speaking, this is set in a 2 to 3 week time frame. After arraignment, the case will then be set for motions and then ultimately placed on a trial calendar. Whether or not the state seeks the death penalty in this case will be made decision-wise on or before that arraignment date in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Today was another step in a long process. We look forward to the case running its course and ultimately justice being served in this matter. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming out today, and I appreciate it. Thank you.